Welcome to Worksheets Data Studio video tour. In today's video, I am going to demo you Worksheets Excel plugin. The main objective for Worksheets Excel add-in is to allow Excel users to easily load and save spreadsheet data to and from SQL databases. As you can see, there are two main operations to show. Load SQL data or get SQL data and save spreadsheet data to SQL database. So to begin with, first of all, you have to log in and you have to log in with your Worksheet Systems user account. Good. And once you logged in, click on load data, get data. You will see all your connection, what was accessible in your main Worksheets Data Studio, and you can see, you can choose, you have to choose your connection, table or stored procedure, what table view or stored procedure, what you want to query. And you can specify some details, what fields you want to select, how many rows or how you would like to order, and you have to define a starting cell in the sheet. So in this case, it is A1, and you can run query table button, and all data what you have in this particular table will get loaded nicely. So you can do kind of remove quickly here now and do same things. For instance, query all products, whatever is there. And you can specify something in particular. For instance, if you want to order date desktop 10, good, have it where, for instance, country equal UK. That's again, you need to clean it before. Everything will get loaded, only UK rows. So you can define it and you can query it here. So you can query it, kind of you can define fields, whatever you have, and you can, for instance, aggregate data, for instance, as well. So if you type something like group by country, comma, group by city, and sum of all sales, you will see country UK because you have this filter over here. And if we query, it's a country, city, that's all your top 10. And if you order, sales, so this is your top 10 cities, with the biggest sale. And yeah, so you can kind of do here whatever you like. So next step would be to allow it to save. So for stored procedure, you can same things, select stored procedure, define date, 2017-02, say 25, and it runs you for everything over here. And another test, and so remove, put it to 100, let's say, query this again, load everything nicely, and now it's time to save some data. So you can see to save some data. Similarly, you have to specify your connection, and also you have to define, you have to select, first of all, you have to select sheet data. So let's say we are selecting not all columns, only those. And so now you can create new table, which is, let's say, table 2. And you see all field names and field types already worked out, and you have your table over here. So if you say create table and save, table created, and you have 27, only 27 rows updated in this particular table. So when this table is selected, and now let's say next day you want to save same things to the same table. At least 2 cells needs to be selected. So let's say you want to change quantity. And it's automatically mapped. So this is source fields and table fields. It automatically mapped. And you see we table fields has 3 more fields what we are not checking, but given that they are not primary key fields, then you don't have to worry about this at all. So just hit save, and you have 10 records updated. So those data are updated straight to your database. Also, you can specify a batch size, how you want to update to be more effective. And for instance, you can do 3 different operations. First of all, it is save, kind of upsert or merging data based on a key. Another one is just to append, and bulk insert. They are all good for specific reasons, especially when you have a lot of data, what you want to insert, what you want to load, for instance, in a new table, which has lots of data. Then is more efficiently to use, for instance, a bulk insert or just a simple append. Although upsert, it still works quite well. So, yeah.